Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download apps on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone, then I'll help you how to download apps in that phone. So guys, now you can see here I have multiple downloads apps in my iPhone. So guys, you can do also. So first of all guys, here you can see the app that is App Store. So guys, simply you need to open this app in your iPhone. So I have opened my app and now you can see this type of interface will be open. So guys, many of apps are available on this home tab. So guys, you can download any app from this tab. So guys, if you want to, here you can see when I am clicking on any app, then you need to click on install and automatically installed in your iPhone. And guys, if you want to download from search, then guys at the corner here the option of search. So guys, simply you can search from here. So guys, for example, I am searching this app. So guys, you can see here. So guys, you can see here I am able to download this app on my iPhone. So guys, I have downloaded this app. So guys, for example, I am downloading this app. So guys, simply you need to search your app and click on that app, and guys here is the option of download. So guys, simply you need to click on download, and guys wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see my app has been downloaded now, and you can see here it is on loading. So guys, when it's download completely, then guys you will be able to open that app in your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.